Essential for the use of a device is the GUI, the ground in which we orientate ourselves and on which we move. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain the user interface of a Synology NAS to you and go into the most important points in more detail. When the initial setup of the Synology NAS is completed and you enter the interface with the browser, you will find this overview. Part of the interface is the taskbar, which displays the applications that are currently open. We also have icons on the desktop for the quick application launch, a start button behind which you can find all the installed and standard system applications, and the button for profile and widgets. The magnifying glass can be used to start searches, and notifications are displayed below this speech bubble. Let's start with the quick start button of the control panel. In the control panel, you can set and change all settings that affect the system. For a better overview, we have grouped the many setting screws into categories. File sharing. Here you can manage the shared folders and everything that has to do with the file services, SMB, FTP, rsync, etc., as well as users and their permissions. Connectivity. Network settings such as IP, link aggregation, and data flow control are made here. Remote accesses are also configured here, and security measures, certificates, and firewall settings can also be made here. System. Here you will find all setting options that concern the operating system itself. This includes the design, theme, power options, system updates, and notifications of system events via email or push message. Applications. Here you will find settings for installed applications which have been grouped together in the control panel, and here you can optimize the clarity. The HDD and SSD form the basis of our data storage. We manage this storage media in the storage manager. If required, we can also set up hot spares or configure SSDs for cache. The storage media, which we find here in the overview, are merged into a logical unit in the storage pool. Usually, this logical unit is managed by RAID. It can then be divided into individual parts or whole using volumes. Here in the volumes, the file system ext4 or BTRFS is then also determined. If there are several volumes, the file systems can also be mixed. The current status of the hard disks, RAIDs, and the volumes is summarized under Overview. The resource monitor gives us an overview of the resource usage of the hardware components, the network, and the various services that are currently running. Individual processes can be monitored and managed in the task manager. We can get details about connected users and the corresponding speed limit. In the settings, we can activate the usage history and performance alarms to be informed in time if the hardware is too heavily loaded. Recorded performance alarms can be found in the last menu item of the resource monitor. The question mark on the start screen can be used to call up DSM Help. Here you will find detailed instructions, answers to frequently asked questions, and also video instructions. The hardware compatibility list on the Synology website can be accessed with one click. By the way, there is also a question mark in the upper left corner of the Windows that opens the corresponding passage for the respective topic in DSM Help. Via the Support Center, a ticket to an appropriate category can be created directly from the DSM interface. We can also set up remote access for the support team here, which enables more direct help via internet. In addition, we can have important protocols created here for the support, which speeds up the support process. Synology Security Advisor makes it easy to determine how secure the NAS is configured, depending on the use case, which we can specify under Advanced. The security policy may be stricter or looser. In addition, the Security Advisor checks logins to the system and reports when a user logs in with a new device or from a new location. Security scans can also be scheduled here and can therefore be carried out regularly without our intervention. In the Package Center, you have a wide range of official applications that you can install on your NAS. If this is not enough, you can also add additional package sources via the settings. Beta applications can be activated and then installed if desired. You can also set which packages should be updated automatically. If the NAS is used in a network without internet, applications can be installed manually. Disk Station Manager is designed with clear rules in mind, so you'll be able to quickly find your way around any device and application. In addition, the system is designed to keep the base as slim as possible so that applications can be installed and used as needed.